Guys, on number 2, it says two-step inequality. So we have 7 plus x over 2 is greater than 3. So remember, the first thing we want to do is get rid of the number not with x. Well, there's the x. So the first number we get rid of is the 7. To get rid of a positive 7, we subtract 7 from both sides. That goes away. Bring down the x over 2. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Okay, now x over 2 means x divided by 2. To get rid of divide, we times. So we're going to times both sides by 2. The number with x is not negative. I don't care about the negative 4, so we don't change the sign. Negative 4 times 2 is 8, or negative 8, I should say. So x is greater than negative 8. Type it in just like that, no spaces.